Hey everybody, I'm Sean Palis with ProSymmetry, and today I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard in Insight Plus. So from the Tempus homepage, you'll find the Insight Plus tile. We'll go ahead and click on that. And ahead of time, you've created a number of different reporting cards, and there's separate sessions where we talk through how you create these. You can create these on your own, or others can create them and then share them with you. At this point, we want to pull all of these together, or maybe a subset of these together, to render a specific type of dashboard. We're telling a specific story. So the first step is to create a new dashboard. Off on the left-hand side, we have this pop-out menu, and we'll click on Manage Dashboards. From here, I'm going to add a new dashboard, and let's say this is Insight Plus Demo 2, and we'll go ahead and save. All right, so that's been added, and we'll click on Done. Now, with the dashboard created, we'll actually browse to it. So from our menu, I'm going to go to Insight Plus Demo 2. And from here, you'll find a landing page. This is a standard landing page, and we'll click on Edit Dashboard. Now, at this point, what I can do is drag and drop my controls, my various cards, onto the dashboard. And off on the right-hand side, you'll find a series of options. One of them might be adding a header, so let's add a header. And we can then edit this, and we'll say this is dashboard 1, 2, 3. And then we want to start adding our reporting cards to the dashboard. Now to do that, on the right-hand side, you're going to select underneath layout, this card option, and we're going to drag that onto the dashboard surface. Inside of this placeholder, you can choose to add existing cards, create a new card. In this case, I'm going to add an existing. This will now give us a pop-up that allows us to choose from any of our existing cards, and this will also show previews. But let's go ahead and click on Project List, Cumulative Allocation. So again, these are a variety of different controls or reporting cards that we've previously created. So perhaps you want to start with something like a global project list. We'll go ahead and add that to the dashboard. And now we want to add additional cards. So we'll just continue that same process, and we'll click and drag the card perhaps directly to the right of an existing control. So now the screen will dynamically adjust its layout, and you can manipulate this after the fact. We'll do that in a moment. And now let's add another card. So we'll scroll down a bit, and maybe something like, how about project funnel? So let's see where projects sit across the portfolio in different stages, perhaps phases, workflow stages, financial approvals, whatever it may be. So now I have my project funnel off to the right. Perhaps I want this a bit smaller, so I can actually drag and manipulate the layout here to increase horizontal or vertical spacing. And then we'll continue the process. We'll add another control, perhaps underneath both of these. We'll add another card, and we'll continue the process. And how about in this case, a cumulative allocation display? So this will give us a graphical time phase cumulative display of allocation data by program in this case. And now we're done. And you could continue this process, manipulating the layout however you see fit, changing colors, changing titles, modifying a variety of options, and adding additional reporting elements, reporting cards as you see fit. So let's go ahead and save. And our dashboard is now complete. The dashboard can be exported to PDF, to PowerPoint, or distributed to anybody in your organization. There's obviously a ton more here. To learn more, contact us today at prosymmetry.com for a full demonstration of Tempus Insight Plus.